Are you looking for homes for sale in San Bernardino, California? This charming single-story house for sale is located at 5050 North Pershing Avenue, San Bernardino, California, 92407. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is 1,566 square feet and has lots to offer. It has a beautiful living room and dining room with ceiling fans and large sliding glass doors that lead you into the backyard and puts you in the middle of entertaining your guests for summer barbecues. The kitchen features granite counters, a dishwasher, double oven with plenty of cabinets for extra storage. There is also a breakfast bar which opens to the family room. The family room has a cozy brick wood burning fireplace, tile floors, and beamed ceilings. The master bedroom has an attached ensuite master bathroom. It has closets and a shower. Bedroom 2 has a built-in closet, laminate wood floors, and a light. Bedroom 3 has carpet, a closet, and ceiling fan. There is also a full guest bathroom with double sinks and shower in tub. The backyard has a deck and a patio that is ready for you to sit, relax, and enjoy our wonderful Southern California weather. This beautiful landscape yard also has several fruit trees. It sits on a large 8,750 square foot lot size, and it has central air conditioning and heat. It also has a 2-car garage with remote opener. This home is located near shopping, schools, entertainment, and freeways. Let's make this house your home. Please call Alex or Susie Valentine today at 951-907-4020.